White House release published Friday, January 16, 2026. Fact sheet. President Donald J. Trump celebrates the great historic investment in rural health. Today, President Donald J. Trump celebrated the largest investment ever made in rural health care. This was enacted through his Working Families Tax Cuts Act, signed into law on July 4, 2025. The law created the Rural Health Transformation Program and invested $50 billion over 5 years to improve rural health access. On December 29, 2025, the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services announced funding awards to all 50 states. The Rural Health Transformation Program provides unprecedented new funding to states, aiming to make rural health care more effective and sustainable. The CMS Office of the Actuary reported that Medicaid spent $19 billion on rural hospitals in 2024. The new program will add $10 billion each year from 2026 through 2030. This is a substantial increase in funding for rural hospitals and communities. The Trump administration is committed to strengthening the rural health workforce, modernizing facilities and technology, and deploying innovative care models. These efforts are designed to bring high-quality health services to rural communities nationwide. The Rural Health Transformation Program takes a new approach to meet the needs of rural communities. Unlike previous programs that tied funding to service volume, this program promotes innovation and long-term sustainability. Funds can be used flexibly to help facilities invest in their future and better serve their communities. President Trump has taken decisive action to lower healthcare costs and improve access for millions of Americans in rural areas. On May 12, 2025, he signed an executive order to bring American drug prices in line with those paid in other developed nations. Since then, the administration has secured 16 deals with major pharmaceutical manufacturers to lower prices for millions of Americans. President Trump also signed an executive order to promote universal access to clear and accurate healthcare pricing information. The administration has increased enforcement of hospital price transparency rules and proposed improvements for insurance company transparency. The Working Families Tax Cuts Act expanded access to health savings accounts for up to 10 million people on Obamacare. It also included major actions to reduce healthcare fraud and abuse, enabling this historic investment in rural healthcare. On January 15, 2026, President Trump called on Congress to enact the Great Healthcare Plan. This plan would lower drug prices, reduce insurance premiums, hold insurance companies accountable, and maximize price transparency. Thanks for listening. The full source material for this summary is in the description below.